Descript AI video editing tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit videos using Descript AI. Descript AI makes it really easy for you to edit videos. If you can text, if you can type, then you can make amazing videos with Descript. It has several different features including video editing, creating clips, making captions and automatic transcriptions, podcasting, recording, screen recording, and AI speech. They also have some AI features such as editing for clarity, green screens, eye contact, as well as YouTube descriptions. So let's proceed with Descript AI. For this, you're going to click on sign up. And once you click on sign up on Descript, now for this, you can either sign up with Google or your email address and your first name and last name. I am just going to proceed with Google over here. And once I proceed with Google, I'm just going to click on continue. And once I click on continue, right now it's fetching our user, loading our drive. And now it's going to ask us, what are you using Descript for? We're using it for our personal needs, and our first project is going to be video content. Now for this, you have multiple different plans, including monthly and annual plans, and we're going to go into details about the pricing and plans of Descript AI at the end of this video, so make sure to watch till the end. But for now, we're going to continue with the free plan. Now, after that, I'm just going to click on continue, and I'm going to proceed on to our dashboard. This is what our basic dashboard is going to look like. So over here, this is your first project, and we're going to go into the home tab, and this is what the home tab looks like. On the left, you have projects, quick recordings, AI speakers, and different templates that you can use. Then you can proceed into your projects tab and then click on new project to add more. We're going to go into our first untitled project, and we're going to name this. This is our sample video. And then I'm going to click on upload video file, and I'm just going to upload a MP4 file that I have. So I'm just going to, I did download a file specifically for this, so I want to use that. And for that, I'm just going to go into our downloads tab, and in our downloads tab somewhere, we should have that video. I can't find it right now, so I'm going to go into Canva to actually download our video that we are going to be editing. So this is our video that we are going to download. We're just going to click on share, download this, and we're going to download as a MP4. Okay, so we're going to have to add more elements in this. We're going to go into our file, and we're going to just alter the video a little bit so that our video can be downloaded like this. And now I'm going to click on download this, and yeah, now our download has started. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for our download to be completed, and then we can go back into Descript. Now, as far as the different pricing and plans for Descript, you can either go with their monthly billing, but you save over 50% with monthly plans, so on annual plans. Now, on monthly billing, the hobbyist plan starts at $24, then $44, and then $65. The hobbyist plan includes 10 transcription hours per month with 1080 watermark-free exports. Then we have 20 uses of basic AI suites, including filler word removal, sound studio, draft notes, and creating clips. Then we have 30 minutes of AI speech with stock AI speakers. And then we have creator plans, which include unlimited access to their royalty stock library with 2 hours of monthly AI description and speech, and unlimited use of basic and advanced AI suite, including eye contact, translations, and AI features. Then you have their business plan with 2 hours of dubbing and 5 hours of month of AI speech. And we also have 40 transcription hours a month. Now let's proceed with our video. So we're going to upload our video file into the Descript AI tool. And for some reason, I cannot seem to find it yet. Here it is. So we're uploading our content. And once we've uploaded our content, this is what it looks like. Now, once we have uploaded our content, we can click on Show Timeline on the bottom. And once you click on Show Timeline, it will show you your Descript AI video that we have uploaded. You can combine multiple different clips and scenes together. Then on the top right, you have features such as speed increase or decrease, as well as bookmarks. Then on the left, you have a select tool, blade tool. And by using your blade tool, you can crop and move your video around. You also have other tools such as slip as well as hands, and then you have layering sizes. Now on the top right, you have your Underlord, which is your basic AI tool. There are 5 uses of the Underlord's basic AI powers in their free plan. So for this, you can edit for clarity, you can create custom clips, you can shorten word gaps, you can remove filler words. Then we have eye contact, center active speaker, green screen, and generate an image. So I want to create eye contact and I can upgrade to make, use this feature. You can also add the green screen effect. So I'm going to turn on the green screen here. And once we do that, we can choose the layering of our effect and we're going to wait for this to be applied. Currently, it's still loading up. So we're just going to wait for the green screen to be added. And just like that, the green screen has been added. Now, once our green screen has been added, we can add any other effect in the background. We also have other features including summarizing, adding titles, notes, YouTube descriptions, and brainstorming. So I can write a script accordingly with the video that I have. If I have content of animals, I can easily write a description or content for a YouTube video. Then on the right, you can manage your projects as well as manage scenes, layers, record, and include different elements and captions. Additionally, you also have stock video, GIFs, images, and stickers that you can include. Now, in our particular AI video, you guys can see this is our video now, and I can basically add any background I want. So I can go into the backgrounds here in our stock footage, and I can proceed with any background, and now it's importing this video here. And now I can use this as a background. This allows you to choose and test what type of content works best for your videos, for your channel, or for your personal preferences. And then you can proceed. Now, if you are someone that is using Descript AI and you're not sure whether or not you have a lot of content yet, you can simply go into templates here and you can proceed with some pre-existing content. If I click on new project and I click on video project over here, once I do that, I can click on import from Zoom. I can write AI speech. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to name my creation. So for example, I want flying birds and I want to add a speaker. And in this is going to be Cedric AI and I can start writing. So flying birds or birds. How do birds maintain flight? Question mark. And after that, you can see you can add file or just record your video script. So I'm going to record it and I am going to allow it this time. Once I've done that, I am just going to proceed over here and we're just going to record the rest of our script. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to record my script like this. So birds often maintain long hours of flight. And how do birds migrate? Well, that's a question I've often wondered. I'm just gonna, turn this off and this will be recorded into script. Now, once I have completed that, I can move towards the next step. It's generating my AI speech. And once I have completed my recording, I can proceed with editing my recording. So the AI speech is going to be completed. And once that has been completed, I am going to go back into project, and on the right we have elements and we also have scenes. So for this, I'm going to go into stock footage, go into videos, and then I can drag and drop video content like this and then use the writing. So I'm done writing. And like this, we have aerial views of birds that have been added by the AI tool. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.